Yeah. Alright, hold on a minute. No, Simba. Don't you hop in my truck. What you doing, Simba?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my 95 Dodge Dakota. Needs some work done to it, just minor work. But it's in fairly well, matter of fact, pretty pristine condition. Like I said, just needs a little minor work. Dodge Dakota. I had one of these when I was 21 years old. It was a V8, but it had about 600 horsepower. It was modified. It's this model here is a 95, but it's a V6, but I'm still happy with it. All the damage that it's really got to it is the hood's peeling. It needs to be repainted, and right here and on the other side. But bed's in good condition. Just some minor cleaning up and minor detail work done to it. Nothing really bad. I'll be making more videos of it in the future. For the major engine work it needs right now, it could use an oil change. Oil change is black as the tires. I'm going to get that done pretty soon. But I've always liked the Dodge Dakotas, especially models. That's all for now, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.